Hello guys, I'm back. So this video here that I'm sharing with you, I'm sorry I didn't smash these together, but because I'm recording on my phone and trying it out, it's the only reason why these videos don't have my intro, my outro, and that there's not smashed together. So they're just little clips and stuff that I'm just gonna just upload them straight from my phone. So, but anyways, so I'm gonna give you a tour of my craft room. So, all right. Let me turn you around. Okay. So I organized all my yarn yesterday. I did some spring cleaning and everything. And these hat boxes here, it's where I keep some projects. And then I have, real quick, let me put this down. And then I got all my scrap balls of yarn, all the extras. I got tons. This is stacked full. And the one below this, underneath. Wow, that's heavy. And this one here, that one's full of all my scrap yarn too. So that's where I store all my scrap yarns. Let me just sit this back up here. Sorry. Sorry about my camera. I do have you guys on a selfie stick, so hopefully it's not as shaky. But as you can see, I use cardboard boxes. But hey, at least I'm putting them to good use and recycling my way. All those pantry boxes that I got, I used on the bottom. But that's my yarn stash, guys. And then I got my cotton yarn up there. And then I have my project bags hanging over here. This one, this yellow one here, this has my Jada and Stitches blanket in there. And then this is that Mary Maxim thing. I mean, that's going to be a Christmas gift. So, and then I got my diamond paintings up there. And then this is where all my extra diamond paintings are, like just laying flat in a box here. But it's kind of dirty. I need to wipe that down because there's like I think that's candle wax that's sitting there. But this is where I keep all my extra crafty stuff because I like to do adult drawing books and stuff too. And those are my coloring pencils and markers for those. And earrings and bracelets and jewelry that I play around with. Those are those earrings that I just recently made. So that's where I hang them up for now. This is just, yeah, that's where I keep some of my jewelry hanging. And then down here, I have to find a spot for these, but that's all my diamond painting stuff. Like, those are all my tools and stuff and everything that I use, like baggies and all that stuff. And then those are the actual bags of diamonds and everything that I just keep them stored in there for now. And then over here is my craft table. This is the finished sugar skull that I was going to show you guys up close. So I figured I'd do that. Pretty cool. Yeah, very, very pretty. And then the one I'm currently working on, check that out. That is turning out really, really pretty. Yeah. This is a lot of fun. Now, real quick, these little tiny, these are super tiny, those little teardrop, yeah, they're like teardrop little gems or whatever. Those are really tedious to work with. But yeah, this is my crafting area. This is where I do my unboxings and everything for you guys. This is that stupid little notepad that sucks that I usually use for you, that I use and stuff. That thing sucks. I ended up installing my air conditioner and yesterday too while I was spring cleaning. And then over here, I got some yarn and stuff for projects that I'm working on. And there's some other stuff, everything that I'm working on over there. And then here's my TV where I watch you guys. I was actually, yeah, ignore that. I have it paused because I was trying to do an intro for the video that I just uploaded onto YouTube. And I was trying to, I couldn't remember everything that I put on it. So I was like, I went to my page to see what did I write on my freaking intro. Well, it ended up not working out for me anyway, so I was just like, yeah, whatever. But yeah. And then I have this tapestry hanging up over here, and then over here, that's my little memorial area spot for my friend that passed away in September last year. He passed away, so I have my little memorial set up. He has Easter flowers sitting next to him, stuff, and then he's got the diamond painting that I made. So I'm hoping that, her being there, just, in significance, and, it gives him his soul peace. I don't know. You know, I use whatever that would help. And you never know. So, but yeah, this is my cram. This is where I keep my chair, my recliner, where I sit usually and chat with you guys. So yeah, this is my craft room. This is what it looks like, guys. And it's that annoying window where the light is always blaring out. I'll give you a peek outside what I look at. That's what I see when I look out there. There's a car dealer across the street. And then here's that car place that works on, they're closed now because today's Sunday. They work on expensive cars here in this garage right here. They're literally outside my window. So yeah. All right. So yeah, that's my home. All right, guys. So I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted to do a quick tour of my space, my craft room space and everything. I pretty much live in this space. Yes, I live in this space. So other than my kitchen, but I'm in and out of these two rooms. I have a living room and everything, but because I have a fish tank and I have a turtle tank in there too, because I have a pet turtle. But it's a mess in there. Like, I have all my winter stuff and bins and stuff. I'm getting ready to store all that stuff away. So yeah, I'm not showing you that yet until that's all finished. So I'm in the middle of still spring cleaning and whatnot. You ladies know how it goes. One day at a time for me. It amazes me when I do the spring cleaning and everything. I realize how much stuff I accumulated throughout the years of living here. I'm like, oh my God. Oh, I'm still recording. Sorry, I was looking at my screen. But anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. All right. Blessed be, and bye for now. Yay.